Hey, it's Tyler Wanzeck, REMAX Masters. Hey, just wanted to pop in. I just did a very cool walkthrough on a home that is a duplex here in Wheat Ridge, Colorado, on the west side of Wadsworth on Ames Street. For both sides, you're going to get 8 beds, 4 baths. I just kind of want to walk you through and walk and talk the numbers why maybe a duplex where you actually can rent the other side and have that maximize that income potential might be the right move for you. So here we go. So first, walking up to the building, you definitely notice all of the windows with kind of the natural light pouring in. We fortunately were left to, we rode our bikes to just a mile down. It's a beautiful day here in Wheat Ridge. So entering into the home with paneling, kind of has that old time look. This look is very much coming around. I do think the appliances and whatnot, you'd certainly want to update, but the overall layout and everything really did work. I mean, the house does need some updating here and there, but it is very livable. Very nice backyard. On the asking price of $1.2 million, a 20% down payment, calculating in there of maybe an APR 5.58%. You're looking at a payment of roughly $6,000. Well, thanks for taking the time to walk through the house with me. But yeah, I just really wanted to kind of pitch that golden rule in real estate of anything where you can acquire, a duplex or anything with an ADU carriage house on the back, is the golden rule being having somebody else pay for your mortgage. So if there's anything I can do to help, all my contact information is here. If anyone is looking to be in the market for duplexes, home buying, selling, give me a call. I'm here to help.